welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing another baking video. This time I'm taking some McCormick Pumpkin Spice seasoning right here, and I'm going to be making a pumpkin spice cheesecake. This is the first time I've ever done one, so kind of nervous about how it's going to turn out. I know you're going to need like a little bit of this, not a lot, but I'm really excited to try and make it. Jay was so helpful. He got my recipe that I've had since forever. It's an old recipe that I got from high school when I graduated. So I'm using this step-by-step, foolproof, no-fail recipe. So thank you, Miss Cassie. I'm still using the recipes you gave me after all these years. It's for a cherry cheesecake, but you can add any topping of your choosing. So it's great and easy to use. And I'll also put the recipe down in the description below if you want to do it yourself. Step number 1, you want to take your cream cheese. I got the light one because, you know, you never know who's calorie conscious, so you don't want anyone to like explode basically from like eating your cake. You want it to have like a little bit of like a healthiness to it, so try to get light products when you're making your desserts. It shows that you're just thoughtful to the people who are either surrounding you or who you're giving it to. They might appreciate that a lot. I'm just opening it like so, and you're using the whole cream cheese container, just all of it, go around like so, and you're just dumping it in. I'm wearing my Fallout Girl merch today. Link is always in the description below. Check it out. The holidays are coming, and I have some brand new designs I'm going to be posting hopefully soon, so be on the lookout for that. So we're dumping it and scraping. Dump and scrape. What was it? The last one was scoop and dump. So many baking catchphrases. Cheers. Get out all that you can. Once it's all out, you just throw it away or recycle it. Toss that aside. And you're taking 1/2 cup of sugar. Take your measuring cup and just scoop it into the sugar. Make sure that's like, you know, a little bit of excess is at the top. Take your butter knife and the smooth edge and just go over it like so until you have an even top layer. Voila! Then you just pour it into your bowl. Now that our sugar and cream cheese are in the bowl, you want to add a little bit of this pumpkin spice seasoning from McCormick. And it's like really powerful, so be careful. Just put a little bit sprinkled, like so. I think that's good for now. And then when we add the whipped cream, we'll add some more of the seasoning. If you have a mixer, this is the time when you would mix your ingredients together, or take a big spoon of some sort and just mix until it's properly blended all together. So that will take around maybe 3 to 5 minutes at most. Once you're done mixing, you should have something that looks like this, kind of sort of close to this. Now it's time for Cool Whip, and I got the light one, of course. Calorie conscious. Open this up, and you're using the whole thing. You can take your spoon and just pour it in. Maybe even have a little bit for yourself if there's some left. Get as much as you can. You're going to want to take a spoon or one of those spatula things, the rubberized spatulas, and start folding your Cool Whip into your cheesecake solid ingredients until the filling gets thick. So that's what you're going to do. And you want to take it and you're going around like I'm not too good at this like whole folding thing, but you get the idea of it. You just go around and start folding it in to it. Go around, fold. There we go, kind of like that. You can either put it in before you start folding or have someone help you and just fold while you put the pumpkin spice flavoring into here, but like so. And then you're going to want to keep folding the whipped cream into the cheesecake. Fold all of this together. We have our perfectly blended filling here. Now it's time to put it into your crust. And I just got a basic graham cracker crust that you can just buy at any store. Store-bought is where it's at. You want to pour all of your ingredients into basically the middle of the crust and then smooth it out on the edges. So mainly all the filling will be in the middle, and then you just glide it throughout the rest of the crust. Scrape out all that you can, which is kind of hard to do. Move that to the side, and as I was saying, even out the filling. Move that even more out of my way. Yeah. Just glide it around. There's like so much filling. I'm gonna glide it around. And if you were adding the cherries or some sort of like topping on the top, you would want to make like a little dip right here for the filling to go in. But we're not doing that today. There is like just too much of this filling. Oh my god. If you want to, you can like scrape some of it back and put it into your bowl like I'm doing, because there's just way too much. It'll get into the way of closing down the top of this. Once you're done with that, with the scooping, you just want to even it out. Here, there's some extra scoop. Put it in, and then make sure that you even out the top. Don't leave any chunky marks in it. Ta-da! I think that looks fine. I got some cute little sprinkles here. It's from Cake Mate. You can get it at Walmart, and it's basic orange sugar, colored sugar. Kind of like a salt shaker effect, and just go around. Make it look very festive and colorful. No fill right here. You can be as creative as you want. Full coverage here. And there you have it. Your beautiful pumpkin spice cheesecake. It's time to put your lid on to your cheesecake, so you're going to gently place it on here. Make sure it's down. And just press around the little flaps that are right here. I'm not sure what they're called, but you just press these down securely and you leave it in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. Usually I recommend like 2 hours before serving, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight and then serve it the next day. So that way you're just like, it has time to like process and get cool and like do all its good stuff. There you go, your pumpkin spice cheesecake is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, why not? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell, ding dong, and you'll be notified when I post new videos. And as always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.